Cytoplasm. See here, cytoplasm is nothing but a ground substance. This ground substance found in both types of cells, all types of cells. It is called as cytoplasmic matrix or cytosol. Cytoplasmic matrix or cytosol. Actually, cytosol is a cytoplasm apart from cell organelles. Cytoplasm minus cell organelles is a cytosol or cytoplasmic matrix. See here, cytoplasm is not static matrix, static material, but it shows the movement, streaming movement, and that streaming movement is called cyclosis. This is nothing but a cyclosis. See the different compositions of the cytoplasm, from which components it have been made. So here composition, major component of cytoplasm is water. Apart from that water, various organic and inorganic materials are also present here, like the sugar molecule, amino acids, vitamins, enzymes, the nucleotides. Nucleotides are the units of nucleic acid. Minerals and some waste products are also found inside the cytoplasm. Then various cell organelles are also present in the cell cytoplasm. These various cell organelles like the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, plastids in the green plants, nucleus, microbodies, and cytoskeletal elements like the microtubules, which provide the support, internal support to the cell. These are the cytoskeletal elements. Functions. So here cytoplasm perform functions as it acts as source of raw material for various processes. Various synthesis processes occurs like the protein synthesis, lipid fat synthesis, whatever. So here it provides the raw material. It acts as a source for the raw material for various synthesis processes. It acts as a seed for various metabolism. The different types of metabolic processes, metabolic activities are carried out inside the cell cytoplasm. So it acts as site or seed for the various metabolic activities. Then it helps in distribution and exchange of materials between different cell organs. Inside the cell, the material distributed to every cell organelles, each and every cell organelles. So that distribution occurs through the streaming movement and cyclosis of the cell cytoplasm. And here the exchange of materials occurs in between different cell organelles. So the media is a cytoplasm. So cytoplasm acts as or helps in the exchange of materials in between different cell organelles. Then cell organelles. Another topic is the cell organelles. So what is the cell organelles? So cell organelles are nothing but the compartments in cell. These are smaller compartments inside the cell which performing specific function. Each compartment performing specific function. That is nothing but a cell organelles. This one is the cell organelles. Here, some cell organelles works in coordination with others, while some are independent works. So here it forms endomembrane system of cell. Endomembrane system of cell, here different cell organelles like the nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, vesicle, and vacuoles. These all works in coordination and they form the endomembrane system of cell. Some other cell organelles which works independently like the mitochondria, chloroplast, they do not form the endomembrane system of cell. Next cell organelle is the endoplasmic reticulum. Yeah, endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum found in all eukaryotic cells except ova, means female gamete, egg or worm, and mature RBC. So ova and mature RBC lack the endoplasmic reticulum, while all eukaryotic cells have the endoplasmic reticulum. See, under the electron microscope, when you observe the endoplasmic reticulum, it looks like network of membranous tubules. Various tubules are present, membranous tubules are present, and sacs also present. These are called cisternae. So membranous tubules and sacs, these are called the cisternae. So such a structure you have observed under the electron microscope. More than 50% of membrane formed by endoplasmic reticulum. Actually, the total membrane of the cell, or the total membrane of the cell, the more than 50% membrane of the cell is formed by the endoplasmic reticulum. Now, see, endoplasmic reticulum are of two types. sorry, they divide cytoplasm in two parts. Types are here. These are the types. Endoplasmic reticulum divides cytoplasm in two parts. Here one is a laminar cytoplasm and that is a non-laminar cytoplasm. The laminar cytoplasm is the cytoplasm which are present inside the membranous tubules and sacs. The cytoplasm which is present inside the membranous tubules and sac inside the cistern, laminar cytoplasm, and the cytoplasm present out of the membranous tubules in cistern, this is the non-laminar cytoplasm. So two parts of cytoplasm, laminar cytoplasm, non-laminar cytoplasm. Laminar cytoplasm, cytoplasm present inside the cistern membranous sac of the endoplasmic reticulum, and the non-laminar cytoplasm which is present outside the cistern. In position, so membrane of endoplasmic reticulum is continuous with the nuclear membrane and it extends up to the plasma membrane, same membrane. The types of endoplasmic reticulum on the basis of lodging of ribosomes on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. These are terms as smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are absent on its surface. So surface of the cistern then lacks the granular cell organelle, that is a ribosome. So surface becomes smooth, hence it is called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? So lipid synthesis. Lipid synthesis occurs in the steroid secretory cells which are present in the different glands. Then detoxification, neutralization of the toxic substances which occurs inside the hepatic cells, liver cells. So this is a detoxification and storage of calcium. These are the functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, here ribosomes are present. Ribosomes are lodged on the surface of cistern. So the surface, because of granular nature of ribosome, the surface becomes rough. Hence it is called as a rough endoplasmic reticulum. The functions is a protein synthesis. Here the ribosomes which are present on the surface of cistern, these ribosomes produce the protein. This protein is called a secretory protein. That secretory protein bound in the transport vesicle, specifically vesicle. This is called as a transport vesicle. Then RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, also involved in formation of membrane for the cell. Different cell membrane of different cell organs will also produce with the help of RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Apart from that, endoplasmic reticulum also perform the function of internal support. It acts as an endoskeletal element. It acts as endoskeleton of the cell, and it also involves the maintenance of the different cell organs in the cell cytoplasm. So this is about the endoplasmic.